Okay guys, well it looks like that's all that was required. Just reflowing that solder a bit. I left the caps off just in case, but we'll go ahead and stick them in. Might need to turn that one around. No, it should be okay. Just need to push harder. Oh, and by the way, 3 to 5 seconds is a little bit too long. You really just need 3 to 5 moments. It's really just about getting the solder to reflow contiguously into one blob and not have 2 separate blobs, you know, cold solder joint. I don't know. Google for cold solder joints, you guys. You should be able to figure this out. Well, that's tight enough. Okay, so I am wiggling these wires. Just like before, pull, push, pull, no big deal. No problem. Let's try the other side. Alright, so no issues, no trouble. Oh, sorry. Wasn't in the video there. No problems, no trouble. Let's try a push. Pushing on the wire there. No effect. Pulling. No effect. What you would expect from a properly designed, properly assembled product.